Hi everyone, it's Celeste and thank you for coming back to my channel. So as you saw in the title down below, my Instagram followers helped me create this dress. This dress is actually a combination of a few different things. This fabric is from Amsterdam and I got all of that material and so I can't get it again unless maybe I go to Japan. So the downfall with this is all I have. So I was watching a channel on YouTube called Orchid and she does a lot of DIYs and thrifted transformations. I get a lot of inspiration from her, and myself as a cosplayer doing fashion as well makes me really happy. So when I saw her doing the Instagram challenge or the Instagram followers helping her decide make her outfit, I thought it was a really cool idea and I was like, maybe I should do that with this fabric. And that's what happened. So I asked my followers if I should use this fabric in a cosplay or casual day wear. The majority was casual day wear and I decided on making it a dress. And I asked, should it have sleeves? Everyone said no. I asked if the dress should be short or long. Majority ruled as long. And then I asked if it should have a zipper or an elastic closure. And they all said zipper. I know I asked one more question, but unfortunately I didn't get back to it in time and it disappeared from my story, so that's what happened. Make sure to follow my Instagram at CelesteOrchid down below. It's also in the description box if you don't want to type it in, so it'll automatically take you there. And that way you can be part of the conversation next time when I do it again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can catch more fashion goodness and DIY crafting. Just like in my Instagram feed, this is the main material that I'll be working with, this Japanese chrysanthemum and this white fabric. Originally I thought I was going to use that lace, but I turned out not using it. So I'm going to be using the Japanese fabric in the direction of the print, and I don't want to cut too much of it, but I'm going to turn it into a wrap zippered dress. And you can see that I'm trying to measure out how much I'll need across my body, and I want it to sit at my waist. So I got about 3 meters, and so I'm folding it in half to where my feet are going to be. This way I have a very long skirt and I can wrap it around my body in the front so I have a crisscross motion. It's just about the same amount, and I'm going to cut that in half and I'm going to make it into a skirt piece. Here you can see that fold that I got, and now I'm going to be cutting it in half. La 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 la. Now I'm going to combine both pieces to make one giant long rectangle. One of the main reasons why I'm using the salvage edge on this piece is because I don't want to sacrifice any of this fabric. This fabric is very beautiful. I don't think I'll ever find it again because I bought it in Amsterdam. Check the link above for that video. When I'm done combining this to make a mega skirt, I'm going to hem the bottom edge. Now I'm going to be patterning out the top. I decided because there's no sleeves, I'm going to go for like a halter sporty top look. I think it will look really cute with a high collar-ish around the neckline and then a nice like racer back as well. I'm using tissue paper because it's very cheap and inexpensive, and that's what a lot of patterns are on. I definitely think a lot of people can benefit from using tissue paper, especially if you're drawing once-off patterns. Here you can see me fold it in half to create the top and the back, and I'm cutting it out on the white fabric. I'm cutting 2 of each because I know that this fabric is see-through-ish. Like, it's not good on its own because it's very transparent. So I don't want my bra to show or anything underneath, so I'm going to line it with the same fabric. It was here where I was going to add the white lace, but I decided not to, only because I didn't want to take away from the beautiful Japanese print. Now during the process, I made sure to attach the lining to the back piece before cutting it in half for the zipper seam allowance. After getting everything together, I sewed the front pieces together, that's the front and the lining, and then I sewed the back piece together before cutting it in half. Then I sewed everything together, meaning that it's one giant shirt. Then I hemmed it. This includes hemming the neckline, the bottom edge of the shirt, and the sleeve, and where the zipper is going to go as well. So I folded the shirt in half, and then I added a few inches to it, and that's where I began adding the shirt to the top. This is because it's going to be a wrap dress, and I don't want it to super expose my leg area. So I'm going to start pinning it to the top, wrap it around the top, and then I'm going to make sure that I can cut into the skirt where the back is to sew in the zipper. And then I'm stopping the skirt at the side seam where the skirt did not yet. I gathered it a bit extra in the back because I wanted a lot of space for the dress to flow, and I wanted some space for my wider hips and my butt region. There's no better way to put it. I just wanted more space for the jump of the dress. There, you happy? This is where I went back and changed it. I added the skirt all the way to the other seam, and now I'm trying to figure out where I want it to cross over, so I'm trying on the dress. And I decided just to go towards the other seam of the shirt as my end point, so I'm just going to have to cut down that line, and then hem it, and then I'll have to add the sash. So let me show you what I did. I couldn't find the original pink satin ribbon that I wanted to use, so instead I'm using this transparent ribbon. And I'm going to be sewing that at the edge of the skirt piece here, making sure that I have enough for it to hang. And then I'm going to be attaching it to the shirt directly and then wrapping it around. Then it will be able to tie off on the dress. Here you can see I paired it with a simple black choker, and of course I always wear hair ties on my wrist, especially when it's hot, and I'm wearing some nice heeled wedge sandals. I know, I kept talking about the zipper. I actually chose a nice hot pink zipper. If you're interested in seeing how I install zippers, leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to show you one of my ways I put in zippers.
Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already a part of my Instagram family, please go ahead and start following me there. We can have fun, interact, and go crazy. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!